for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. Come take a test drive today.